Yes, good morning, all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And today we will discuss our notebook work of chapter number 12, and chapter name is The Earth, the Sun, and the Moon. So let's start. Question number one is dictation word. Here are some words that is related to your chapter, like solar system, planets, satellites, crust, mantle, core, corona, craters, eclipse, umbra, and penumbra. इन ये जो वर्ड्स हैं हम सब इसके बारे में चैप्टर में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज डिफाइन. फर्स्ट इज phases of the moon. The different shapes of the moon as visible from the earth are called phases of the moon. Okay, अर्थ से जो भी हमें मून की डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शेप दिखाई देती हैं उसे ही हम क्या कहते हैं, phases of the moon कहते हैं. Now, second one is opaque object. An object that does not allow light to pass through it is called opaque object. Third one is lunar eclipse. An eclipse that occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon is called a lunar eclipse. Okay, जब earth आती है in between किसके, sun and moon के, तो उसे हम lunar eclipse कहते हैं. Now solar eclipse, an eclipse that occurs when the moon comes between the sun and the earth is called a solar eclipse. Fifth one is artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are man-made objects that revolve around the earth. Question number third is fill in the blanks. First one is the outer core contain molten iron and nickel. Second one is a thin layer of air around the sun is called corona. Third one is the sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. Fourth point is the surface of the moon is covered with craters and mountains. And last one is when an opaque object comes in the path of light, it casts its shadow. Now question number 4 is right, true and false. First one देखिए, the earth is the fourth planet in the solar system. This statement is false because earth is the third planet in the solar system. Second is the outermost layer of the earth is crust. This is true. हमने earth की 3 layer discuss की थी, that is crust, mantle and core. तो जो outermost layer है उसे crust कहते हैं हम. The core is the coldest part of the sun. This statement is the false because core is the hottest part of the sun. Now fourth one is the sun is the star nearest to the earth. This statement is true. And fifth one is the inner core of the earth is made up of iron. This statement is also true. Earth का जो inner core है वो किससे बना होता है, iron से बना होता है. Next question number 5 is write one word for the following. First question is what is the diameter of the sun, and correct answer is 13,92,000 kilometers. Okay, ये sun का क्या है, diameter है. Second one is who was the first woman to go into space. Space में जाने वाली first woman का name बताना है, that is Valentina Tereshkova. Which was the first satellite launched into space? And our correct answer is Sputnik 1. Which is the natural satellite of the earth? Earth का natural satellite कौन है? That is moon. And question number 5 is what is the full form of ISRO? That is Indian Space Research Organization. Now question number 6 is name them. First question देखिए, it protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. sun की harmful ultraviolet rays से हमें protect करता है. कौन protect करता है? Atmosphere. And the innermost layer of the earth. earth की 3 layers में से innermost layer का आपको name बताना है, core. The atmospheric layer on which continents and ocean lie, that is crust. And the star nearest to the earth is sun. Okay, जो earth के nearest जो star है वो कौन सा है? Sun. The part that block only a part of sunlight is called penumbra. Next question number 7 is name the following. First question देखिए, name 3 satellites that launched by India. India ने जो satellite launch किए हैं उनमें से आपको 3 satellites के name बताने हैं, that is Bhaskara, Rohini and INSAT 2A. Okay, INSAT 2A का means क्या है? इंडियन नेशनल सैटेलाइट सिस्टम कहते हैं. ओके, इसे इनसैट 2A को. तो इसमें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम दिए जाते हैं जब वो सैटेलाइट को लॉन्च करते हैं. ओके, Second question is name two type of eclipse, that is lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. 3 layers of the earth: crust, mantle and core. Fourth question is two gases that present in the sun, that is hydrogen and helium. Fifth question is two artificial satellite, Sputnik first and Aryabhat. Now next question number 8 is differentiate between lunar eclipse and solar eclipse में आपको differentiate करना है. तो देखिए lunar जो eclipse है वो कब आता है? When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, it casts its shadow on the moon. Moon पर जो shadow बनती है तो उसे हम lunar eclipse कहते हैं, okay? And the moon gets hidden and it occurs on full moon day. और ये कब होता है? Full moon day पे. And when the moon comes between the sun and the earth, it blocks sunlight reaching the earth and casts a shadow called solar eclipse, and it occurs on new moon day. Now question number 9 is answer the following question. First question देखिए, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere क्या होता है? ये चैप्टर में हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. I hope इसका आंसर आप सबको पता होना चाहिए. That is a thin layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere, and the atmosphere protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Second one, what is sun made of? The sun is a huge ball of hot burning gases, mainly hydrogen and helium, and it has a thin layer of air around it called corona. Question number 3 is how are craters formed on the moon? मून पर क्रिएटर्स कैसे बनते हैं? So the big round hollow pits called craters, and craters are formed when pieces of rocks crash into the surface of the moon. Question number 4 देखिए, what are artificial satellites? So artificial satellites are man-made objects that revolve around the earth. They are sent into the space to gather information. Okay, जो artificial satellites हैं ये man-made objects हैं and इन्हें space से information collect करने के लिए भेजा जाता है. Question number 5 is explain the internal structure of the earth. Earth की internal जो structure है उसके बारे में हमें बताना है. So the earth consists of 3 layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust देखिए, it is the outermost layer of the earth made of rocks, and all continents and ocean lie on this layer. Second one is mantle. It lies below the crust, and the upper part of the mantle consists of hard rocks and the lower part consists of hot molten rocks. And third one is core. It is the innermost layer of the earth and it has two parts, outer core and inner core. The outer core contains molten iron and nickel, and the inner core is solid ball made up of iron. Now next question number 6 is draw a well-labeled diagram of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So यहाँ पर देखिए इस तरह से आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है जिसमें सन, अर्थ एंड मून का आपको यहाँ पर पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है. जब सन एंड मून के बिटवीन में अर्थ आती है तो हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? लूनर एक्लिप्स कहते हैं. ओके, एंड अर्थ का देखिए यहाँ पर जो डार्क शेडो मून पर जा रहा है उसे हम अम्ब्रा कहते हैं एंड लाइट शेडो को यहाँ पर पेनम्ब्रा कहते हैं. ओके, एंड सोलर एक्लिप्स में सन एंड अर्थ के इन बिटवीन कौन आता है? मून आता है. ओके, एंड मून का शेडो अर्थ के जहां जिस पार्ट पर पड़ता है, ये जो डार्क शेडो है इसे हम अम्ब्रा कहते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पर टोटली सोलर एक्लिप्स होता है एंड जो यहाँ पर लाइटेड जो शेडो हो रही है उसे हम पेनम्ब्रा कहते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पर पार्शियली सोलर एक्लिप्स होता है एंड यहाँ पर इन बिटवीन जहां पर डार्क शेडो है वहां पर टोटली सोलर एक्लिप्स होगा. ओके, so our notebook work of chapter number 12 is completed here. I hope you all understand.